Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of rice cookers to find the ultimate contender for the title of Best Rice Cooker. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a busy professional seeking convenience, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, a kitchen powerhouse designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. With a capacity of 4 cups uncooked rice or 8 cups cooked, this multi-cooker offers versatility like no other. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel exterior, it's as stylish as it is functional. Seamlessly switch between rice cooking, steaming, and grain cooking with the touch of a button. The 2-quart size is perfect for smaller households or side dishes. Its digital interface ensures precise cooking every time, while the included steamer tray expands your culinary possibilities. Say goodbye to soggy or burnt rice. This cooker delivers perfectly cooked grains effortlessly. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker and elevate your cooking game to new heights. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer, a kitchen powerhouse packed with versatile features. Boasting a sleek stainless steel design, this compact appliance effortlessly cooks up to 6 cups of fluffy rice, 3 cups uncooked, to perfection. But wait, there's more. It also offers slow and hard-boiled egg functions, making breakfast prep a breeze. With its convenient egg/steam tray and intuitive digital controls, mealtime becomes a delight. Whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef, this multifunctional wonder simplifies your kitchen routine with style and ease. Say hello to effortless cooking with Hamilton Beach. Number 3. Comfy Rice Cooker, a versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify your cooking experience. With its sleek stainless steel build and multifunctional capabilities, this 6-in-1 cooker offers a convenient solution for all your meal prep needs. Whether you're craving perfectly fluffy rice, hearty oatmeal, or savory quinoa, this compact 2-cutie cooker delivers delicious results every time. Its 6 one-touch programs make cooking a breeze, while the slow cooker, steamer, sauté, and warmer functions add versatility to your culinary repertoire. With a capacity of 8 cups cooked, 4 cups uncooked, it's ideal for small households or busy individuals seeking efficiency without sacrificing flavor. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to effortless meal prep with the comfy rice cooker. Number 4. Zojirushi NSLGC 05XB Mikum Rice Cooker and Warmer, a culinary marvel that redefines convenience in the kitchen. With its sleek stainless black design, this 3-cup capacity cooker boasts Mikum technology, ensuring perfectly cooked rice every time. From fluffy white rice to brown rice and even sushi rice, its versatile menu settings cater to various preferences. The automatic keep warm function maintains optimal temperature for extended periods, while the detachable inner lid and non-stick coated pan simplify cleaning. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms, yet it delivers big on performance. Say goodbye to soggy or burnt rice. With Zojirushi, culinary perfection is just a button press away. Number 5. Cosori 18 Functions Rice Cooker, a versatile kitchen companion designed to streamline your cooking experience. With its sleek stainless steel design, this appliance isn't just a rice cooker, it's a culinary powerhouse. Equipped with 18 functions including sauté, slow cooker, and fuzzy logic technology, it effortlessly tackles a myriad of recipes with precision. The 10-cup capacity ensures you can feed a crowd, while the 24-hour keep warm and timer functions offer flexibility to match your schedule. Whether you're a busy parent, a cooking enthusiast, or someone looking to simplify meal prep, the Cosori rice cooker delivers convenience and quality in one impressive package. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to delicious, hassle-free meals with Cosori. In conclusion, Choosing the best rice cooker depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's versatility, capacity, or advanced features, there's a perfect option out there for you. We've explored some top contenders, but remember to consider factors like budget and functionality before making your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video to help others make informed choices too.